Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use PitchBook step by step. We'll explore how to research companies, analyze markets, track investments, and gather financial insights efficiently. In today's fast-moving financial environment, gaining access to accurate, up-to-date private market data is more critical than ever. Whether you're part of a venture capital team sourcing startups, an M&A analyst benchmarking valuations, or a founder researching investors, the ability to find and interpret private company data quickly can give you a serious edge. That's exactly what PitchBook is built for. PitchBook is a powerful financial data platform that provides detailed insights into companies, investors, deals, funds, and market trends, particularly in the private capital markets. Unlike tools that focus on public market data, PitchBook specializes in illuminating the parts of the financial world that are often hard to access. In this video, we'll walk through PitchBook's key features, explore the benefit it offers to professionals across industries, and show you why it's become a leading tool for market research, investment analysis, and deal sourcing. So for its key features and benefits, first is the deep company profiles and custom search filters. PitchBook gives you access to millions of company profiles with extensive information on financials, funding history, valuations, employee counts, ownership structure, patents, and key executives. Its advanced filtering system lets you search by industry, business model, geography, funding round, revenue range, and dozens of other criteria. You can also layer on custom tags, view competitor lists, and identify companies based on financial metrics or headcount growth, all within a few clicks. Whether you're scouting acquisition targets or building a lead list, this functionality is critical. This makes it easy to find and vet companies quickly, helping analysts, business development teams, and investors reduce research time and improve decision quality. Another key feature is the investor tracking and fund strategy analysis. PitchBook contains detailed profiles on thousands of investors, including venture capital firms, private equity groups, angel networks, and corporate VCs. Each profile includes past deals, fund details, co-investors, stage preferences, sector focus, and even contact information. You can also view full fund life cycles, including fund size, vintage year, IRR, TVPI, and DPI, to evaluate performance and fundraising history. This helps founders identify the right investors to target, while fundraisers and LPs can benchmark fund managers or explore co-investment opportunities with confidence. Another key feature is the deal intelligence and transaction breakdowns. One of PitchBook's most powerful features is its deal database. It includes comprehensive information on venture capital rounds, private equity investments, M&A transactions, and even debt financing. For each deal, you can see the size, structure, lead investors, company evaluation, and post-money value. PitchBook also offers insights into deal multiples, transaction timelines, and investor syndicates, critical data for benchmarking and negotiation. This allows deal makers to evaluate transaction activity in a specific market or vertical and benchmark deals for accurate pricing and strategy development. Another key feature is the market trends, emerging technologies, and competitive mapping. PitchBook provides regularly updated analyst reports and market maps covering trends in emerging sectors like AI, fintech, health tech, clean energy, and more. These insights help you understand the macro view of where capital is flowing and how sectors are evolving. You can also build visual competitive landscapes and segment companies by size, funding stage, or product type. Great for internal strategy presentations or opportunity mapping. This keeps you ahead of industry shifts and competitor movements while giving context to specific companies or deals within a broader market view. So why is PitchBook a great choice? PitchBook stands out because of the accuracy, breadth, and depth of its data, all delivered through a highly user-friendly interface. In an industry where outdated or incomplete information can lead to poor decisions, PitchBook helps professionals work with confidence by ensuring they are always acting on the most current and reliable data available. So whether you're working on sourcing new deals, tracking investor activity, preparing pitch decks, or performing diligence, PitchBook gives you the tools to move faster without sacrificing accuracy. It's not just about information, it's about actionable intelligence. Additionally, PitchBook's customer support, onboarding resources, and training modules make it easy to learn even for beginners. Teams can start small and expand usage as needed, which makes it accessible whether you're a solo operator or part of a large enterprise. So, managing market research and investment strategy doesn't have to involve spreadsheets, scattered data, or endless hours of manual work. With PitchBook, you can centralize your research process, stay on top of critical trends, and gain deep insights into companies, deals, and investors all in one place. Whether you're an analyst building a pipeline, a fund manager exploring LP connections, or a strategist looking for market gaps, PitchBook equips you with the tools to make smarter, faster, and more confident decisions. So start your journey with PitchBook today and take the guesswork out of market and investment research. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use PitchBook for market analysis and investment research more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical finance, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.